Introducing the ecoflowstream Ultra, a powerful device that combines solar energy storage and microinverter in one, with 4 MPPT ports for maximised solar input. You can even add an additional microinverter to bump up the max input from 2000 watts to 2800 watts. Want to power more of your home with solar? Add Stream AC Pro or Stream Ultra units to expand storage capacity throughout your home. These devices seamlessly communicate with each other and share power, creating an intelligent network of safe, eco-friendly home energy. You can also enjoy real-time information right at your fingertips with the EcoFlow app. Monitor data, savings, time of use, efficiency, and more, putting you in complete control of your home energy. This all-in-one powerhouse is money-saving, efficient, and ultra-safe, with a 10-year lifespan. This is the future of smart home energy. This is the EcoFlowstream Ultra. Bills to zero.